be the three ways to make API call in Python. Okay, so already I told guys one way I had told by using request method, like how we can call the APIs in Python. So now we will see three methods. By using that also guys we can call APIs. Okay, so that we will see, and small APIs will create, and we'll see the response how it will be. Okay, and what all that three ways. So first I will show you. So you can see guys, the first way will be using the request library, which is the popular method guys. Everyone use this only, that is request library. And second one is using URL open. This also sometimes we use guys, that is URL open from URL lib. And last one is using the JSON library with URL open. Okay, so these three libraries we will see guys, and how we can use that we will see. So we'll start guys that. And guys, one more thing, suppose if you are new to my channel, then guys please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so because if you like now, so it will motivate us to create more videos guys. So I'm telling, requesting you guys, please guys like karo, share karo and subscribe bhi karo. And one more thing guys, actually I got lots of comments. So uh, one thing I want to tell guys, to what I can say, in comment I got like make a video on this topic. Okay, so it will take time guys, but I will cover that also, because I got lots of requests on similar topic. Okay, so I will create that videos guys, just keep patience and stay tuned to my channel. Okay, fine. So first we will see guys request method, how we can use request method to make API call in Python. Okay, so let's start. So first what I will do guys, first I will import the request libraries. So import. And one more thing is, you need to install this. Okay, if you do means if you're not installed already, then guys please install this. Just install, just use the command pip install request, it will install. Okay, that you need to do in this folder. Okay, one more thing guys, already I have created Python folder here. You can see Python flask, and there I have created this app.py guys. Okay, so this video already I have done guys, how we can create this and all. You can watch that video. Suppose if I show that now, it will take more time, right? So instead of that, I'll show the main topic is only. Okay, fine. So I have what I have done guys, I have imported the request libraries. Next what I will do guys, I will write a method to make, to get a request. Okay, so for that what I will do, response, spelling is wrong or what, response, yes, response. Okay, this is correct. So response is equal to, here request will come, because we are using request to call API. So request dot get, and here my API will call. Okay, so what I will do guys, here I will use fake API. So fake API will be like this guys. If you go in Google and if you type there also, you will get fake APIs. So already I have that only, I'll use. So here is JSON placeholder, JSON placeholder dot. You can use this also, whatever I'm using now for testing purpose. Okay, if you're new, then you can use this, and if you're working on real time project, then you can use that API path. Okay, no problem. So this is my fake API path guys, which I have taken here for testing purpose. Next what we will do is, we'll see the response. Okay, if the response, will use your status code. Okay, if the response is correct, means 200 means successful. Okay, so what I want that time, what I will do, I'll take that response in data. So the response dot JSON. Okay, because whatever the output response I will get, it will be in JSON format. So that I'm taking is here. Then here what I will do, I will print that data. Okay, so if the response is success, means whatever the response I'm getting from that API, if it is correct, it will come here. If it's not correct, then what it will give, it will print one error. Okay, so what we'll do guys, we'll create here like request failed with status code. Okay, so here we'll provide with status code. Okay, So the status code will be, it will take from API only, that is oh my god, what is happening? Response dot status underscore code. Okay, so it will give the code also, guys. Here what is happening is, here something is wrong or what? Print print. I think I have taken a space. Okay, so this is the correct, guys. I have taken space, so because of that, it was giving some error. So here, what it will do, guys, it will give that status code also, error status code if anything error are there. Okay, so this is the first method, guys, where we can call our APIs using request method. Okay, so as I told you, if success, it will come here. If any error, it will come here. Okay, now what we will do, we'll run this and we'll see how the output will be. So to run this, what we need to use Python app.py. Okay, because it is in app.py file. Suppose if you're using different, you can use different. Okay, so you can see, guys, we got the response. Oh my god, you can see, guys, this is in JSON format. We got this response. Okay, so this is the response we are getting from our APIs, from this API. Okay, so this is the request method. Then what next, we which we will see, guys, next we will see using the URL open. And request method, already I told, guys, means I, whenever I do API call and all, I use this method only. So next method we will see, guys. For that, what I will do, I will comment this. Okay, so next what we have to do, guys, just use this, just import this URL lib dot request from import URL open. Okay, so from URL lib.request, we're importing as URL open. Okay, then next, what, import JSON as well. We have imported, guys. Here the method will be different. So here what we need to use with URL open, because we are using URL open for that. And here my API path will come. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy this same path I am going to use. So okay, done. Here something different is there, guys, that is as a response. Okay, so here you can see, here something is different. Okay, so with URL open, guys, we're using, and as response we are getting here, means whatever the response will get here, guys. Okay, then next what we will do, we will read the response and we will decode that, guys. Okay, so to read that, we'll take one here variable, and here it is response dot read. Okay, we are reading the response and we are decoding that in this format, guys, that is UTF-8. Okay, so we are converting it, we are decoding in this format. Response dot read. Okay, this is done, guys. Next what we will do, we will pass the JSON data, guys. Whatever the JSON data will get, we will pass that. Okay, so here it is JSON dot load, and here my source will come, because here my data is there, right? Okay, then next what I will do, guys, I will print the data. Okay, so this is the second method, guys. We are using your URL open as response. So whatever the response we will get, so that we are reading and that we are decoding in this format. Then what we are doing, we are passing the JSON data, guys, here by using JSON.load, and here we are printing our data. Okay, so this is the second method, guys, and we will get same response. Okay, now what we will do, I will run this. You can see, guys, first code I have commented, only this code is there now. Okay, so I will run this. You can see here, guys. Okay, we got here one error, so we'll solve that. Okay, so JSON that, okay, here it is loads, here it is loads, guys. Okay, now we'll see. Yes, you can see, guys, we got the response now. Yes, you can see, guys, we got the response, and it is too big here. I think 100 numbers are there. User ID one here also same will be there. Where it is, you can see guys, user ID one. Okay, so same response we got guys. This is the second method. Now we'll see the third. Oh my god. So what I will do, for right now I'll clear this. Okay, so third method is what? Using the JSON library with URL open. Okay, here we are going to use JSON libraries. So for that, this I will comment. Next, third method we will write here. So here also we are importing. Here both are similar, but little bit difference will be there, guys. URL lib dot requests. Okay, import URL open. Okay, so here we are doing the same. Then we are importing the JSON. Oh, sorry, import JSON. Okay, then what we will do, we'll make a get request guys here. So for that, here we are using response. You can see guys, here as response we are taking, but here we are taking response. Okay, so response, this is the difference guys. Response is equal to URL open, and same URL I will use here, means API I will use here. Okay, and next what we will take, we'll take the response same as above how we are taken, we are reading, then we are decoding, same we will do here guys. So source is equal to response dot read dot decode, and here it is UTF-8. Okay, so here reading and we are decoding. Then what we will do, we will pass this data. So JSON dot loads here SOURC source. So we are passing the data. Then what we are doing, we are printing the data. Okay, so here the difference you can see guys, only this line difference is there. Here we are using with URL open, here we are using response is equal to URL open. Only this much is different in these two APIs. Okay, so these are the three methods guys where we can make a API call in Python. Okay, now I will run this also because this is pending, right? So we'll see the response. Here also we'll get the same response. It's taking some time. Hmm, it is taking so much time. What is happening? Okay, we can see guys, we got response, same response is there. Mm, you can see guys, user ID one. Okay, so we got the same response guys. So like this you can, I'll uncomment now all the things. So guys, these are the three methods which we can use for to make API call. Okay guys. Oh, so I'm separating this. Okay, so you can see guys, this one. So I hope guys you got this, how we can make API call in three ways. Suppose if you have any question regarding this, then guys please comment in comment box. And guys, if you're liking this video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I will bring new videos to you guys. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting guys.